I wanted to just give you a quick demonstration of how to update your speculative fiction graphic organizer so that you can be working on this today as you read your book. Remember, we're going to use this next class. Actually, we're going to use this all week so that we can pull from it to create our summative. Okay? So when you open your speculative fiction graphic organizer, your first slide obviously will be your title and your author. Your second slide will be power, and you should be filling in the blanks. Your third slide should be archetypes, and currently your fourth slide should be symbolism. If you do not have either archetypes or symbolism, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the coming soon slide, and on the slide it has the word update, and when you click on that, it should update your slideshow to add archetypes. And then when you go to the next slide and click update, it will add symbolism. Please make sure that you can see these speaker notes. You will not see that update button. You will not see this update button if you are in present mode. So please make sure that you are in the speaker notes format, and then click on update, and you should see both archetypes updated as well as symbolism. If you are still having trouble, you're not seeing those slides, shoot me an email and we will figure out what's going on.